Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix packet loss Valorant problem. Let's fix it guys. After doing these steps, your problem is solved guys. First solution is to change the DNS settings. To do this, go to search menu, type control panel, click on open it. Select the network and internet, select the network and sharing sender. In here you just need to select your network connection guys. I am using Ethernet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, there will be a name as Wi-Fi in here guys. Select the network connection and select properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Click on it and select properties. In here you just need to select the use the following DNS server address, and after doing this, preferred DNS 8888 and alternate DNS 8844. After doing this, typing this, just need to click on OK. Close out of here. This is the first solution. Check your problem has been resolved or not guys. If you're still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to reset our network connection. For doing this, go to search menu and type Cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command guys used in my video. You just need to copy one by one and paste it in. Copy with Ctrl C and paste with Ctrl V, and copy these three commands one by one and paste it in guys. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. ipconfig space flushdns, paste it in, press enter. After finishing these three commands, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After getting restart done, go to search menu and type network reset. Opens up network reset, click on it. Select the reset now option. Your PC will be restarted. Click on yes guys for resetting it. You are about to be signed out. Windows will be shut down in 5 minutes. For you just go ahead and manually restart it guys. After restarting, if you're still having a problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. For that, third solution is to create custom port for Valorant. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Defender. Windows Defender Firewall, click on it, open it guys. On left side, select advanced settings. In here you just need to select the inbounded rules, and on right side select new rules. In here select port, PORT, select the next, select TCP, and in here you just need to check my video description for the code guys. TCP code, copy it and paste it in guys. After pasting it, click on next, click on allow the connection and click on next, and name it as Valorant. Name it as whatever you want it, but I am naming it as Valorant port 1. Click on finish. After finishing Valorant port 1, click on again the new role. In here select the new role and select the port and select the next and select UDP, and check my video description for the UDP code guys. Copy it and paste it in. After pasting it, click on next and allow the connection, next, and name it as Valorant port 2. Click on finish. After finishing this both of it, close out of here. After finishing these steps, now you can continue to play Valorant without packet loss guys. The last final solution is to replace Wi-Fi internet connection with a wired network connection guys. I hope these solutions solve your problem guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.